Hey guys, it's Friday! We made it another week! So let's do our calendar real quick. Yesterday was Thursday. We learned about the letter H yesterday and we reviewed our numbers. Today is Friday and tomorrow will be Saturday. So remember Saturday and Sunday, the two letters that begin with S's, we will stay home. Today is Friday, so I'm going to move this over here so we can remember. Oh, there is the date. It goes right under Friday. Yesterday we had 29 days we've had of October. What number comes after 29? I'm going to start right here. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 30 days of October. We have one more day of October. That is tomorrow, the 31st. That is also Halloween. Tell me quickly and tell your neighbor what your plan is for Halloween. We talked about different plans. We might have some similarities and differences. Let me hear those again. Good. Thank you for sharing those with me. We have 29, the 30th of October. Here is October up here. It is a Friday today. I'm so glad that you guys are here. All right, let's review our numbers before we get started on our letter sort. Here's our numbers. Number 2, good. 3, 4, there's that number 4. Number 5 and number 6. Good work already. This is the number 6, down and around. That is our number 6. All right, close your eyes. What number? 3. What number? 4. What number? 6. And what number? 2. Good work. So today we are going to review our letters and then we're going to sort by beginning sound, D's and H's. Then you will tell me something that begins with the sound like we did yesterday. And then you will sort objects yourself. Are you guys ready? Okay. Let's review of this letter. What letter was that? The letter H. Good. H makes the sound like helicopter, hippo, house. What letter was this? D. Good. D goes duh, duh, duh. I always think if I locked my keys in the car, not too smart, won't go far. Duh, duh, duh. Every time I see that D, I think of the duh sound like dinosaur, duck, and dig. So today you are going to sort. It's getting Halloween. So you need to help me sort these objects by beginning sound. Okay, I'm going to pull an object down and then we're going to say the object and we're going to go to that beginning sound. So like if I say dog, duh, I'm going to come back to that first sound I hear in the word. So what do you hear at the beginning of dog? Do you hear a or a duh, duh? Dog. Did you hear that? It made the duh, duh sound. Ooh, this witch is going to be super happy. Hat. What do you hear at the beginning of hat? Good. An H is for hat. Heart. They have the same beginning sound. Duh, duh, dog. Duh, duh, dice. Good. Hippo. Is it a dippo or a hippo? It is a hippo. Good. It also has the same beginning sound as hippo, hat. They have the same sound. Dinosaur. Is it a dinosaur or a dinosaur? What do you think? Thumbs up if it's a dinosaur. Thumbs down if it's a dinosaur. Good. It is a dinosaur. How about duck? Where would I put duck? Blow it in your hand like a balloon. Is it an H? Like, or a D, like, duh, duh. Put it right here. 1, 2, 3, pop. D. Duh, duh, duck. Duh, duh, dinosaur. I hear the duh, duh, duh sound. House. No, house. Duh, 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 duh. I don't hear any sound in duh when I put my hand up. But house, H, it goes, I can hear I can feel it. Can you feel that air? So I'm going to put it here for house, hat, hippo. How are those things alike? They do. They make the h sound. House, hat, hippo. They all begin with an H. Okay, I have a deer. Deer. Good. Did you hear that duh sound? D makes the duh sound. What letter is this? D. Good. And the last one, hammer. Hammer. Good. Did you hear that? Hammer. Hammer. I heard it. It was an H. So today, boys and girls, we reviewed our letters, we reviewed our numbers, and we sorted. Today we sorted by H and D. Now, Miss Cochran said you were going to tell me something that began with H. So what did we find? Give me a call. Hey, Miss Cochran. Today we found something that started with the letter H. What is something that started with the letter H? Hippo, hammer, hat, house. Can you think of anything else? Helicopter. Wow, good job. Hang up your phone and tell me something now that starts with a D. Good, this was our letter D. I'm going to send this home, so if you would like to sort them yourself, you are welcome to. See if you can get it just like I can. All right, until next week, I'll see you later. Bye.